If you're a property manager with a small team, you know the deal. You're wearing multiple hats, costs are always on your mind, and you're constantly trying to keep residents happy and units filled. It can feel like you're being pulled in a dozen different directions at once. The good news is that technology can help, but not all tech is created equal. Forget the complicated stuff. Today, we're talking about 6 practical Proptech trends designed to solve the real everyday problems that slow you down. These are tools that automate repetitive work so you can focus on service and growing your business. If you find this helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Let's get started. First up, leasing. AI-powered leasing automation sounds complex, but it's really about using smart workflows to handle routine tasks you'd otherwise do by hand, like sending renewal offers or responding to initial inquiries. Before automation, you were manually tracking expirations, writing notices, and chasing signatures. After automation, your system tracks dates for you, sends renewal offers based on your roles, and lets tenants sign digitally. All that paperwork is stored automatically. In Buildium, you can create reusable lease templates, track renewals from your dashboard, and screen applicants all in one place. The key is to start with clean data and let residents know about the digital process to make the transition smooth. Getting a unit ready quickly is a big deal for your bottom line. Digital inspection tools replace paper checklists and let you capture photos and notes in real time. This information kicks off an automated make-ready workflow. Instead of doing a walkthrough on paper and creating work orders manually, the app generates tasks for your vendors automatically. Our integration with HappyCo lets you conduct professional inspections on your phone and sync results directly into Buildium. The goal is fewer vacancies by standardizing inspections and automating work orders so units get back on the market faster. Chasing down rent is no one's favorite job. AR automation tracks balances, sends reminders, and processes online payments without you doing it all by hand. The old way meant mailing statements, collecting checks, recording everything manually, and driving to the bank. With automation, residents get reminders, pay online, and the transaction is recorded instantly. Funds go right to your bank account. Buildium's payment system offers multiple ways to pay, including ACH and our retail cash network powered by PayNearMe. This improves on-time payments and cuts administrative work significantly. How many calls and emails do you get for simple questions? Unified portals give residents and owners a secure place to get what they need anytime. Before a portal, you're taking calls about payments, emailing leases, and giving maintenance updates one by one. After, residents and owners access everything themselves. Buildium's Resident Center and Owner Portal are included in all plans and come with top-rated mobile apps so everyone stays connected on the go. A good portal experience boosts retention because informed residents and owners are happier. Property management analytics help you spot trends in your operational data. APIs and integrations let your software tools talk to each other so you get a full picture of your business. Without integrated analytics, you're stuck pulling data from different places into spreadsheets and looking at outdated information. With an integrated system, you get real-time dashboards that show exactly how your portfolio is performing. Buildium's Analytics Hub provides insights and industry benchmarks, and the marketplace lets you connect tools you already use. This helps you move from gut decisions to data-driven decisions, so you can see what's working and adjust your strategy. Adopting new Proptech doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with your biggest pain point, implement one solution at a time, and build on that success. By combining tools for leasing, payments, communication, and analytics, you create a management system that runs efficiently and scales with confidence. To learn more about how Buildium can help you automate workflows, check out our free 14-day trial or schedule a demo. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.